Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more Nightingale. Last episode we went to the trader, we traded, we got her to come with us, and then I came down here and I read a bunch of stuff. Annoyingly, it was more cursive. Now, we're going to be continuing travelling to this cave to see if I can enter it now. Now, I started a time lapse until I got to here, then I found this readable thing. So this time we're going to be continuing over here. And this episode is going to start off immediately with a time lapse. Here we are. Now I believe I found this in the third episode. I went down there and there was a blocked. Let's see if I can enter it this time. That is still there. However, if I can enter it... No. Okay. Okay, well, we're not going in there. It would appear our gear level is still not high enough. Now, home is that way. Time lapse. Okay, here we go. Again, at the bottom of my home. Or base, should I say. Bottom of base. Base is literally just up that hill. Oh, damn it, I just wasted my stamina doing that. Oh, sorry. Oops. I don't know if that damaged her or anything. I hope it didn't. Why can I suddenly no longer run? Can I run now? No. Actually, wait, I just realized something. I get essence dust doing that. Okay, I don't know why I can't run. Anyway, base is just up here, so it doesn't really matter. Right, we are back home. Okay, walk on my house, why don't you? Now, roasted meat, autofill, as many as I can make, craft. Mix plants, I'll do that, and then I won't do healing stones because I've still got 8. Now, I'll drop the metal I got in there. Don't think I got anything else metal. However, I do need to put that in there, that in there. Oh, that needs to go in the metal, that one there. Sticks. What? Go in there. Wall. That goes in there. I think that's all for that chest. That goes in there. Wait, does bones go in there? Yeah. Bones go in there. I'll turn that into more rope or whatever it is. What was that? Oh, damn it. Need wood. Need more wood. Well, I would like more wood. Why can I still not run? Okay, well I guess we're back to rolling again. Okay, that was a one-shot. I don't mind, but seems weird that was a one-shot. Why is that glowing? Oh, why can I pick that up? Weird. There's more there. What? Where'd the wood go? Wait, did you pick it up? No. Okay. What? Stop coming so close to the point where I can hit you. Look, if I'm swinging my axe or any tools, stay away. Unless I don't do damage to you, but I'd rather you did stay away, 'cause I don't know if I can kill you. Really? They're like bloomin' villagers in Minecraft. They walk in front of you when you're bloomin' trying to break blocks and stuff. Especially when you're trying to bring them over to a trading hall or something. And that should be enough wood. Yeah, I didn't think I could roll. Come over here. Add fuel. There we go. Oh. That was dumb. Go in. Really? That in there. Should be good. Straps. Autofill. 6. Craft. Hey, can I make more? No. Ah, right, that stuff. Right, tables. I need to eat. 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 That goes there. To you. Goes in there. Any second now. Okay. Don't just run! Scared the bejeebus out of me. Alright, rest. Ah, there we go. Daytime. Right, building those tables. Ah, light, here we go. There's one right there. Okay, I'll build you later, because you need stuff I don't even think I have. Probably should have checked first. Where is the... Here we go, where's the sewing table? Sewing table. Place. Put that there. Wood bundles 10, fibre 15, bones 1. Okay. Bones 1. Wood. Actually, no way, I'll take some of those here. I don't have any! I don't have any! And what is it? Fibre as well. Oh, it's just fibre and plant fibre. Duh. I still can't run for some reason. Why is there wood here? I mean, I'll take it, but... random. Okay, don't fall on me. Okay. Do a front flip, why don't you, tree? That makes sense. Why did I just pick up? Sticks. Break that, get some more wood, and then I'll go build that. I also don't know why I can't run. What happened to the run button? There, run. Then auto run. Shift. Yeah, unfortunately shift doesn't work. I can't run at the moment. stuck. Okay, plant fiber. Right, build. Need more fiber. 5. Build. There we go. What can I do? Oh, I can craft armor. Well, not armor, but you know, like that. Boots. Leather and plant fiber. And I can craft leather in here, can't I? Leather. Hide. Is that? Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, and I believe I need to kill wolves to get that. Okay, I guess that's not what I thought I needed to make it. Put that in there, that in there, that in there. Alright, I can make you. Well, I need to make you. I don't need you. I would rather have you. Animal fiber? Is that just normal fiber, or... Wait, what do I need? Sticks. Two of those. Excuse me? Can you... What? Thread. Twine. Wait, what is twine? I don't have twine. I thought it was that. What is twine? Okay, don't have twine. I don't have hide and animal fiber. What, is it just fiber, or... No. What is animal fiber? I don't think I have animal fiber. Weird. Right, those other things I got though. Got that, workbench, enchanting place. Does it affect workbench? No. There. Lumber, ingot, glass. Okay, I have none of that. Good to know. What about... That's a fire. Saw table. Motor table. I'm gonna do a saw table because I think I still need a saw table. Whoa! Does that affect... No, it just affects that, okay. So can I put that there? Wood, blocks. Again, animal fiber. What is animal fiber? Okay, I'll do the other stuff, but animal fiber, what is that? I'm just curious. One, because I need it, and two, because I want to know what it is. More wood. That blocks. One. Really? Two. Ah, behind me. Okay, can go behind me apparently. Ooh, essence dust. Huh. Didn't know you could get it from that. 8. That's not where I put wood, but I don't have any wood on me anyway. Animal fiber. Do I get it from... Oh, right, I can't. Oh, wait, bullets, wait. Where is it? Rock marble. Rocks. How do I get rocks? Oh, rocks. Duh. Duh! How do I get rocks? Those are rocks. Those rocks. That's stone blocks. I wonder if I can turn that into rocks. That just gives off an essence dust. Okay, I wonder if there's a way to do that though with like another craft. So you're the one who's been doing it. I mean, great, but can you at least like pick it up. Because if you're not gonna pick it up, it's kind of annoying. No, you can carry this. Oh, you have been grabbing them. Oh, okay, so you, at least you do grab them. I don't know why there's more down there! My goodness, there's gonna be rocks everywhere around my base soon. Rocks, blocks, stone blocks, whatever they're called. Yeah, go and pick this up. Go and pick up your mess. No, you're gonna make more mess. Okay. You can pick it up later. No, pick... I don't mind you doing it, but if you could at least pick it up... Actually, no, wood. I don't need stone. Stop. Come here. You only have a pickaxe. Okay, come here and I'll make you an axe. What am I doing? Oh, those, right. Okay, 2 minutes. Right, you, where'd she go? There you are. Wait, no. No, stop. Wait, I need to make one. I can't make one. Oh wait, I can make one in my map. In my map? In my inventory, I think. Where is it? Storage, survival, resting... Nope. Okay, maybe I can't. Ah. Oh, no. Take. Realm cards. I can make realm cards. Simple items. Here we go. Where is it? Wood axe. Okay, I'll wait for that to finish because I don't think I can make it in this. Now where's she gone? Oh, right behind me. Wait, stop. Oh, you have pretty good gear on you. Oh, your thing's only 13. Okay, never mind, your gear sucks. Same with mine. Right. Ooh. How much damage does this do? Where's a deer? Oh, come on, there's always deers here. Where's it? Oh, I can change. Ooh. Unfortunately, that is my run button. Seriously, where have the deers gone? There used to be... There were deers What? There were deers everywhere. Where did they go? Are they up on the mountain? They're probably up on the mountain. Now I'll see how far it shoots, actually. That is really far. Bang! I missed. Wait, come back. Wait, if you're going that way... Where's the rest of your family? More bullets. Well, I need to... wood axe. One stone block, 1 wood, 2 straps. 2 straps. One of these. What was it? Wood, that's right. Wait, you've got wood. Never mind, you have no wood. I'm trying to make it so she has wood. I'm silly. Oh, hello. 5. Wow, that's really good. Can I at least kill you? Please. I missed terribly. Can I aim? Wait, there is an aim. My god. Stop moving! There we go. Right, where'd you go? I don't need your meat, I just wanted to test the gun. I'll get you later. Oh, don't damage my hut. Stupid me. I do need wood though. Didn't I just... Oh, I didn't get the wood because I saw them. You're not gonna fall on me. Okay. No, you're gonna do a front flip again. Never mind. So what if you're overweight? That sounds so wrong. Phil, craft. Put you in there. So much food. Can I stack it? You're the same thing. I don't understand why. Blueberry. Never mind. You're completely different. Right. Where'd you go? Actually, no, I'll leave you to have that. Where is it? There. Wait. Oh, I can't tell you what to do. At least you can do what I want you to do now instead of just breaking rocks. As long as you don't break my house. Which I will be upgrading soon. Wait, aren't these the same? They're the same. Wait, roasted berries, roasted berries. You know, I'm gonna eat the stuff that I don't really need. Well, like, eat them. Not eat them for the sake of eating them, eat them because they're there and I've got plenty of good food. They're just taking up inventory slots. If you are gonna mine things, can you at least mine ores? Oh wait, you don't have a good enough pickaxe to do that, right? You have a crappy pickaxe. Actually, reminds me, I should probably grab some. Don't explode, don't explode, don't explode. You probably won't explode anyway. Quartz, quartz. Yep, there you go. I knew it was going to explode. From every other thing I break explodes, apart from trees. Trees is like the one thing. Trees and picking up like things like that, I was like, they're the only things that don't explode. When you're mining, it's the only things that explode. Why? I don't know. It's kind of funny though. Oh, mess and dust. See? It just explodes when you're finished. Did you? You did too. Naughty. I wish I could tell her not to pick it up. It's kind of annoying in a way. I'll eat those. Don't do much and I like. They're just taking up stuff. Yeah, they really don't do much. Oh, wait, can you? You can! You don't have to. Oh, that's nice. Wait, does that mean I. Ooh! I wish I knew that before, which means I can do this. Haha! That's nice. Wrong button. Right. See, I don't understand. I don't know how to get this card though. Animal fiber, that's what I was doing. I'm stuck. Alright, now there's always wolves down here. I still can't run, what the hell? You, seriously? Alright, where are these wolves coming from? I'd like to know, because they're kind of annoying. Oh, this hasn't been taken. How have I not noticed? This right next to my base and it hasn't been taken yet. You're not grenade guy, are you? Oh, you very much are. Wait, I have a thingy now. I have a thingy. I have a gun. Well, it's not a gun, but it's kind of a gun. Go away. Where's the... Hey! What the... This grenade dude. Stop moving. Yeah, I got you. Oh, that's my... Okay, it didn't hurt me at least. Oh! So it is those. Okay. My dad has been trying to figure out how to do that, and I just figured out how. There is a card that you can play to do that, but I don't think he has it. Whee! Button. And then you use your umbrella and you go flying. Well, unless you hit a tree. Apparently. Apparently, unless you hit a tree. Okay, this is annoying me now. Doesn't work. Why is it not working? What if I put that as R? No. No, that R. That's that. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't work. Yes, please pick up your mess. Whee! Fun. Alright. I think we'll stop there for now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.